In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store to Google Merchant Center using the Multifeed app. This process should take about 5 minutes, and once completed, it will help you effortlessly manage your product listings on Google. Now let's get started with a simple step-by-step guide to help streamline the integration process. First, you need to install the Multifeed app on your Shopify store. To do this, navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for Multifeed. Once you find it, click to add the app to your store and follow the instructions to install it. This app will be pivotal in managing your product feed and syncing it with Google Merchant Center, so ensure installation is successful. Next, after you've installed the Multifeed app, go directly to the app within Shopify. You'll see an option to add the app. Click Add App and complete the installation process. Once installed, the app will be ready for action, standing by to help link your Shopify inventory to Google Merchant Center seamlessly. Now, the second major step is to set up your Google Merchant Center account. Head over to Google Merchant Center's official website. If you do not have an account, sign up by entering your business information as required. For those of you who already have an account, sign in with your credentials to proceed. Google will then prompt you to verify your website. This step is crucial for maximizing visibility and ensuring that your website is properly recognized and trusted by Google. Moving on, it's important to set up your shipping and returns information to ensure your customers are well informed. While you're in the Merchant Center, locate the shipping and returns section and then add your shipping options and return policy details. Clearly specifying this information not only keeps you compliant but also builds trust with potential customers. Make sure the details are transparent and comprehensive to avoid any logistical or customer service hurdles down the line. The third step involves connecting the Multifeed app to your Google Merchant Center account. Go back to Shopify and open the Multifeed app once more. Follow the prompts provided by the app to link it with your Google Merchant account. This should be a fairly straightforward process. Just ensure you carefully follow each prompt to enable a smooth synchronization. The beauty of using the Multifeed app is that it automatically syncs your Shopify product data with Google Merchant Center. This includes essential details like product titles, descriptions, prices, and availability. By linking these two platforms, you're ensuring that your product information is always up to date and available to your potential customers searching on Google. And that's it. With these steps covered, your Shopify store is now connected to Google Merchant Center, ready to reach more customers efficiently. If you have any lingering questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for further support. Happy selling!